Going standard. Is Alex here?
AFK?
Shit.
Sorry, mic off. Mic was off. Yeah, go you choose dev ball tanks. Go break, and I'll take probably another healer. I'm thinking. Or
We're in triple healer.
I can go my crate.
let's go Macri. Go Macri. Yeah, go Macri. Let's try this one for now.
Okay.
I have a couple ideas how it can work. I'm not sure about healing.
Should I Anna or Mercy then? For this
Anna.
comp?
I think Anna is better.
Okay.
We have a bunch of tanks, so you can have a lot of space. Unless we're gonna jump to.
I'm gonna need heals if you want me to
It's dive.
nade aggressively.
Yeah, dive.
There is to help. There is to help Anna.
Some. Is that some, bro? Oh no.
The tracer.
We're gonna flank. We're gonna flank from behind.
Yeah.
Here.
Set up.
Set up here.
No,
Stop
they're
here.
gonna go behind us.
Deal one.
Monkey one, yeah, monkey dive.
Careful, both.
heals?
Tracer and I just behind you guys.
Ana.
I was too far forward.
Alright. Composition-wise, I actually thought the Mercy would have been more
Yeah,
ideal, but
I was gonna ask if you want me to Mercy.
Yeah.
but
Yes.
a bit
Yeah, I
like
guess. Yeah. We have time.
Nets.
Switch.
Because they're
I
diving.
do
Gonna-
understand
yeah, we're gonna
Brig
be
is a
faster.
counter to Tracer, but don't just like wait for her and not be
Yeah.
healing.
Gonna pop. Start pushing. Start pushing
Towards the
him.
left, towards the left.
Monkey.
Jump me on top.
Monkey health.
I got you.
Monkey behind, he can die. Punish them.
Monkey one.
They're behind us.
I missed.
The bomb's behind us.
Dead.
What?
Genji's
I
behind.
couldn't heal.
Get your health.
Thank you.
Go back.
Yeah, roll it.
If you can, go back. Do that.
You know what? Go. Dealing brig.
Got bamboo. He's one. Nice.
Get your life.
Get you one, nice.
Okay, after let's switch from Ryan to Winston.
Alright.
What?
I got you.
Yeah, maybe you can get. We're waiting for Monkey. We're I'm gonna check on high grounds.
Trace behind. I feel like guns.
Monkey on the right. Zero going for me. Tracer.
I'm stuck.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
Call chills.
Go Tracer. Lucio in the mini. Coming out in point now.
Go monkey now.
Oh shit, it was better.
Come here, Zarya. I got you.
Tracer behind. Oh.
I'm still contesting. So
Monkey's farm rushing me in the corner. Alright.
We're coming back.
grab now. Grab now.
Probably should actually hit
Tracer's
this lead.
messing up my back line.
Tracer's dead.
Okay.
D.Va one.
Alright, I have no Ana. We can valve this and win. No,
Okay.
Right now?
I don't think anymore.
No. Go back.
Oh, I got moved back.
Alright.
I forgot that the point has changed.
Okay, I shouldn't have gone in alone there, but you guys said.
Come back, you don't have heals.
That's it.
Yep.
Shit.
Get your health. Push Genji. Who's still dead?
I need
can-
heals. Shit. We have
Yeah, come here. I got you.
nice.
Actually, if I kill
I almost had
you,
rally.
here, if I kill you, switch to Tracer.
Alright. I'm gonna. Tell me when they have shield. I'm gonna high noon. Push.
Yo, no!
D.Va on, D.Va on.
Don't have D.Va, don't have D.Va. Shit.
Alright, no.
Switch tracer.
Yeah.
Stay break.
Stay break? Okay, I almost
Okay, let's go
rallied.
back. Go back, go back.
Call. Okay, monkey. Group off if you can.
Genji slow. Oh, he went back. Lucian point.
Lucio, playing
Yeah,
so
Lucian,
aggressive.
Lucian. Genji, fire by. Genji can die, Eric.
I gotta rally with
Genji
everyone.
We're down two. Touch
Monkey. Tracer.
fight on the pallet. Fight on the pallet.
Yeah.
I'm coming in. I'm coming to the rally.
Don't use rally. We're done. We're probably gonna go back.
Alright, I won't use.
Deal health. Fight only on pallet.
I have a grab.
You
I
can try
don't
it.
shield. I don't.
Ah. Use ult. Use primal range.
Yep, damn it, I died too fast.
Get him touched. I'm still on point. Use primal range. Gold targets.
Lucio.
Let's force it back.
That's rough. To coach. Well, I must do my job better. I don't need motivation, please stop. Okay, so. Triple tank composition with 2 healers. Nice. Strong idea. Needs to be executed better. Healing.
We get staggered, separated too much.
Yes.
We
that does
need
happen.
to defend McCree more.
I'm
Such a-
getting like a 1 or 2 second delay. I'm trying.
Yeah, that's
We're not attacking, so we're gonna have minutes before attack starts. What we can do against them?
Overall, your healing needs to be better at the moment. They're so aggressive, and you're letting Thomas, well, take your eyes off of everything else, which is his job. And if you take your eyes off him, he might kill somebody, which is understandable.
What do I say right now?
Your healing at the moment is not strong enough. There's not enough heals going in, or you're not near your break at the time.
We should have Zen.
Zen or Lucy?
No, then I'm gonna be immediately dead. Just I'm just gonna focus me. And it's
You
barrel.
want me on Doom or Hanzo?
Doom.
Okay, I'll try. It's like kind of laggy, so it's hard to play Doom.
Where are we going?
Right. Going right.
Remember, tanks
Let's stop our
usually
high
go
ground.
first.
Go
Yeah,
right.
group guys.
No clean.
Tanks usually go first.
There's someone on top.
Down. Yeah.
Down.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Umbra hack.
We're waiting.
Come down, come out with us, come down.
We're downward.
Doomfist 1.
Doomfist, yeah, nice.
Bro, I thought that was there. I thought that was already
Umbra
there.
hack me again. Hack.
0-1.
I'm gonna jump, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Oh,
help.
number 1, somewhere there.
Monkey.
Lucio have.
Can't see you, Ruben.
Good monkey, nice. D.Va on point.
Yo,
D.Va on point.
Lucio have.
Oh,
Lucio
really?
1.
Sure.
D.Va on point. Let's go to D.Va.
Near healing.
Yep.
Focus the first monster. We have some right now.
Doomfist is nanoed.
Regroup.
Reset? Yeah, reset.
That was a good attempt. Got pretty far on that push.
I still have Sombra. Okay. Ready for Neo. What I have? What? Okay.
Bomber behind.
Purple, big kill. Gonna right again.
Alright, again.
Ready? Okay, okay.
Yeah, right again. Give me speed. Ready to jump
You
up
guys
on.
wanna go different ways then?
Go for high grounds. Go for.
Go, let's go. Let's
Give
do
us
this.
left side. Anna is on top. Anna's on top. We can dive her.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Give me speed.
They're all purple.
Wait, do
And I want. Oh god.
Ah shit.
How's that not die? What?
Use the old bomb. Use the old bomb.
Yeah, I'm hacked in one.
Diva 1, Diva 1.
Oh, they're all on me.
Baby
I'm
T
on
was.
my back. Oh no. Regroup.
Tanks. Reset.
Who are we diving for? Anna?
Oh, they're chasing me! Yo! Get out of here!
Jesus Christ.
We need to call out who we're diving. We're all
Alright.
splitting when we dive in.
Devin Anna. If Anna escapes, push tanks a bit. Doofus on top on the right.
Do we go right again?
No.
Or we
Go
right?
go for
We can go
main.
main.
For
We have
main.
Lucio.
Do this.
Yeah, no,
Doofus, we can try to get rid of.
Somewhere behind.
I'm hacked. Somewhere behind. I got purple.
I got Anna. I got Anna.
Monkey behind.
Lucio can die. Oh.
Lucio. I'm trying to kill. Can you raise him?
One. Okay. Is it winnable?
Oh my goodness. Heal. Raising. Oh, get the monkey though.
Oh shit. Run away. Push.
Lucio that.
Oh no,
Oh, nice.
Huge.
Let's go.
Speed.
What?
I couldn't get away. I could have gotten away from
Why
that.
can't
I
you
tried
give
to-
speed?
My bad, guys.
Oh shit, I wasted it.
Go Anna.
Oh, I'm sleeping. Oh.
Can I be on part of? Oh, we're 5 people. Okay, we can touch.
As much as I can.
Okay.
Jumped into it. I'm just trying to get on point.
Oh, we need touch.